Hello, my future Wipro warriors. Today we are entering one of the most dangerous looking but secretly very easy aptitude topics, clock problems. The moment students see clocks in aptitude, they behave like, I can read time, but why is the clock asking the mathematics now? But today we will learn how to destroy the clock equations with questions, logic, visualization, and some placement exam tricks. Okay, and trust me, after this class, clocks will never look innocent again. Now, the Wipro TalentNext Aptitude examination usually checks the quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, verbal ability, analytical thinking, and the time management skills. And one classic favorite topic is the clock and the calendar problems because this question tests the observation, calculation, and the presence of mind. Now, most of the students panic because they try to memorize the formulas blindly, but toppers understand the movement. Today, we will do exactly that. So, first, read the question. A clock is started at noon. By 10 minutes past 5, the hour hand has turned through 145 degree, 150 degree, 155 degree and 160 degrees. So just solve it. Okay. Now imagine the clock starts at exactly 12 noon. Okay. And we observe the hour hand until 5:10. And the question asks, how much angle has the hour hand covered? Not the minute hand, not angle between the hands, only hour hand movement. So this is very important. Okay. Now students see clocks and immediately start calculating angle between both hands even when the question never asks for it. So that's like someone asking your age and you replying with the your other number. Okay. So the most important clock theory I'm telling you, a complete clock is 360-degree and the clock has 12 hours. Okay. So each hour mark covers 360 degree by 12, that is 30 degree. Very important result. Okay. Our hand moves 30 degree in 1 hour. Now, this is the key concept of the clock aptitude. Memorize this. Now, from 12 to 5, the hour hand process 5 hours division. Now, each division is 30 degree. So, angle covered 5 into 30 degree, that is 150 degree. So, till 5 o'clock, the hour hand moved 150 degree. But wait, the question says 5:10, not 5. So this is where the aptitude examination trapped the students. Now, our hand never stands still. Even between two numbers, it keeps moving slowly. So at 5:10, the hour hand has already moved a little beyond 5. So this is why the clock questions are dangerous. The hour hand is basically the silent worker of the year. Okay, so our hand moves 30 degrees in 60 minutes. So in 1 minute, this moves 30 degree by 60, that is zero point 0.5 degrees. Another super important result. Our hand moves zero point 0.5 degrees per minute. This is also very, very important. Okay, this alone can solve half of the clock questions in aptitude. So in 10 minutes, this will be 10 into zero point 0.5 degree, that is 5 degree. So after 5, the hour hand moves 5 degrees more. So till 5 o'clock, this is 150 degree, and extra till 5:10, this is 5 degrees more. So this total will be 150 degree plus 5 degree, that is 155 degrees. So answer will be our option number C, 155 degrees. Okay. Now here comes the placement level shortcut. Direct formula for our hand angle from 12. This is 30H plus zero point 0.5 m. This is our superstar formula where H is hour and M is minutes. Now substitute H equal to 5 and M equal to 10. So this is 13 to 5 plus zero point 0.5 into 10. So this will be 150 plus 5. So this is 155 degrees. Done. So this method saves huge time in the placement examination. Now remember this forever. Minute hand speed is 6 degree per minute. Minute hand speed. This is 6 degree per minute because 360 degree in 16 minutes, right? And our hand speed, this is zero point 0.5 degree per minute. Okay. And what about the relative speed? This is the difference, 6 minus zero point 0.5. So this is 5.5 degree per minute. This becomes super useful in the angle between the hands, overlapping problems, and the opposite direction questions. Okay. Now, students often do like 5 into 30, this is 150, and stop there. Wrong, because they forget the extra 10 minutes. In the clock aptitude, small details create the big disasters. The hour hand is like the government office work. It moves very slowly, but technically it is moving. So in the Wipro aptitude test, don't memorize the formulas blindly. Visualize the movement, understand the continuous motion, and write the small formulas neatly. Because in the aptitude rewards the clarity, observation, and the calm thinking, not the panic mathematics. Okay. So answer is 155 degree. So students, today we learned a clock does not just tell time in the placement examination, it also tells whether your aptitude preparation is on time or not. So I hope all the logics are clear to you, all the formulas are clear to you. So we will meet at the next session. Okay, till then, bye bye.